Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm gonna cook. It's me again, cooking time again. Okay, so I'm gonna cook pancit canton and bihon guisado. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cubes, pork cubes, and then water, and then the pork, bihon, canton, and then repolyo, onions, bell pepper, garlic. Okay, now saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then the bell pepper. Guys. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add cubes, pork cubes. Little after this one is going to be boiled, and then if it is needed, we're gonna add some more. That's it, and then we're gonna cover it first, and then when it's boiled, we're gonna come back. Okay, ready? So we're gonna add the bihon. Two 150 grams. And now, guys, and then the oyster sauce, Okay guys, and now we're gonna cover it and we'll be right back. Okay. Okay guys, set up that one. So we're gonna add the repolyo, guys. Meat also. We're gonna add the meat. The meat is cooked already, huh? Okay. Oh. Oh, it's so very yummy. Pollo, it's going to be cooked, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, it's already cooked. Okay, so let's test it. Okay. Oh, this is it. Our pancit canton and bihon guisado is done. Okay, let's test it. Okay. Oh. Okay. And now I'm gonna test it with the repolyo. Mm. 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 It's super yummy, guys. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna off the heat because it's already cooked. Okay, guys, look at that one. Our pancit gisado, pancit canton, and bihon gisado is done. Okay, so see you tomorrow for another recipe, and thank you for watching, guys. Okay, guys. Okay.